Hello there. This is Tablescape Tuesday. And y'all, you know Tablescape Tuesday is one of my favorite times of the week. This is May's Design Corner. And what I'm going to do for you today is set my table especially for you. But before we get there, I'm going to tell you, don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always know that God is alive and He is well. Yes, He is. Now, the host of Tablescape Tuesday today is Honor of the Grace Life DIY Home and Decor. And this week we don't have a guest, so we get a chance to do it our way. Yes, we do. So I am going to do it my way. I'm going to set my table for two right here. This is a credenza that my son made for me, and I'm going to set the table right here. So I'm going to pull this out, and I'm going to clean this up. Now I have a little towel here that I use to clean my stuff up with. And I'm going to use this wood cleaner, awesome, from the Dollar Tree. I saw Anna using this once on her stuff, and it sure made it look good. So Anna, I'm trying this. Gonna put it right there, and I'm going to clean this off. I hope and pray that you all are having a great Tuesday and that God is really working in your behalf. Because you know, honey, God can really do some things for us if we would just step back and allow Him to do it. Sometimes we get in our own way and block our own blessings. Okay? We got that all cleaned up, and we're going to put this away, and we're going to start decorating so I can get out of your way. These are some placemats that I made myself with the black board from Dollar Tree, and I just put some flowers around it. So I'm going to put one right here, and I have another one that I'm going to put right here. And I'm going to take my plate, and here's my plate. They were hauled from the Dollar Tree. A haul from the thrift store. They are pioneer women, but I got this from the thrift store, honey. I'm going to put that right there. And here's another pioneer woman plate. I'm going to put it right here. And then, these came from the Dollar Tree. It says live life in full bloom. Gonna set it right here. I have another one. And I'm gonna set it right here. Okay. And these are two glasses that I hauled from a thrift store out in Roebuck. And I put the green ribbon around it. So I'm going to set that right there. And I'm going to set this one on this side. Right there. Okay. And I hauled these from Dollar General. I love these. Aren't they beautiful, y'all? And I'm going to use them for napkins. I'm just going to fold them around this way. And I'm going to fold them this way, like this. And I'm just going to lay them right underneath this little plate here. And let it hang off right there. See how that is hanging off there? And I'm going to do the same thing for this. Fold it over. Fold it in half. And I'm going to let it just hang off this little plate here. I think that looks absolutely gorgeous. I like the fruit motif on that, and I think it makes it look so pretty. So I'm going to straighten that up there and that there. And I'm going to take my little cake that I made here, my faux cake, and I'm going to put it right here. There you go. That's the faux cake right there. Okay? And I'm going to take my utensils. And I'm setting them that way. And I'm going to move this over just a little bit so I can get my utensils here. See how that is sitting? And let me move this down some. That. And I have a surprise right here. I'm going to take these. I made these just cups that I inverted and spray painted with Allen. I think it was Allen, some kind of Allen. I forgot the name of it. Allen something. But I spray paint these with it. And I'm going to set that right there. And I got another one that I'm going to set right here. I'm going to push this down here and set that right there. See how that is going? Okay. Maybe I should put this one over here too with the glass. Let me put this over here, push that back, put the glass down, and then put that right there. Or shall I put the glass? I think I'll put the glass right here and put this right here. Let me change it on this side as well. And then I'm going to take my utensils and put them right there. Change it up. Put my utensils right there. Okay? There you go. And I have some candles. And I am going to put the candle here. And I'm going to put a candle here. Now, this is my tablescape for Tablescape Tuesday. So what do y'all think? I think it looks beautiful. I really do. And my son bought me this stand because my hands shake so much. So you can see all the beauty that I have done without my shaking. Sometimes I'm going to have to hold this, in spite of it all. But this is what it looks like. Now, I'm going to go away and come back with the reveal. And the reveal is I'm going to light these candles. Well, they don't have to be lit. They are flameless candles. But I want to show you how my beautiful, beautiful Tablescape Tuesday for 2 look with the candles lit. So just hold on 1 minute. Okay, now my candles are lit and you probably can't see them because I have light on in here. Let me see if you can see them a little better with the light out. You can see the candles lit, but you can't see the tablescape. So I'm going to turn the light back on. There you go. And those are my candles. They're glowing. And this is my tablescape. Y'all, don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. Please, please, it's so imperative that we pray for others. So much is going on. Your neighbors are having so many problems. And we must remember John 3:16, the greatest love of all. I would like to say thank you to Honor of the Grace Life DIY Home and Decor and all my subscribers that had subscribed to me and looking at all the beautiful tablescapes that I have made. Please go on over to the playlist and look at these tablescapes because y'all, without you, we would not make beautiful tablescapes. This is May's Design Corner saying thank you and God bless you from the bottom of my heart. And don't forget, Tablescape Tuesday is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come on, y'all. Make a little tablescape and put it on. Honor will be so glad to have you. This is May Design Corner saying God is in large and in charge, baby. No matter what it looks like, this is God's world. And I personally, surely thank Him. Adieu. Tablescape Tuesday, y'all.